Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Hyundai Elantra battery. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new battery. Safety is paramount, so please wear protective gloves and eye protection. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety and stability throughout the process. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. First, locate your battery. It's usually under the hood on the passenger side of your Elantra. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Once both are disconnected, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. You are now ready to lift out the old unit. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your wire brush. This ensures a good connection. Carefully place your new battery into the clean tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, ensuring it's tight. Then, connect the negative terminal last, also making sure it's firmly secured. This order is very important. You're almost done. The final steps involve securing everything and testing. Reattach and tighten the battery hold-down clamp to prevent any movement. Next, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. This helps prevent future corrosion and extends battery life. Finally, start your Elantra's engine to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Listen for a smooth start and check your dashboard for any unexpected warning lights. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.